In this video, you can learn how to set up contact form in WordPress site. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. It encourages us to do more and more videos for you. There are two processes to set up contact form. First step is to create the contact form, and second step is to install the form code in WordPress site. Let's get started with the first step. In WordPress dashboard, we need to go to plugin page and next search for the Ninja Form plugin. Install the plugin and activate it. Once installed and activated, we need to go to the Ninja plugin dashboard to set up the contact form. Here, we can set up the contact form from scratch or use the typical Contact Us form template. In the contact form template, we have all the usual fields for a contact form. We can change the contact form heading title in the Advanced tab under Display Settings and save it. Before publishing the form, if we want to add any other field in this form, we can click this plus icon under Form Fields. We can add the phone number field into the contact form here for speedy communication. We can make the phone field as a compulsory required field or keep it as an optional field. Once satisfied with the form and form fields, we can publish the settings. With this, we are done with creating contact form in WordPress. This shortcode we need to install in the WordPress Elementor page to display the contact form. Next, the second step is to install this contact form shortcode in the WordPress contact page. We need to select the contact page in which we want to install the contact form and edit it. Next, we can click on this 3 vertical dotted more icon and edit the page in HTML. Next, we can paste the copied contact form shortcode in this box and publish to update the changes in the contact page. Next, we can preview the contact page and see if the contact form is displaying as intended. Next, we can fill in the contact form with the dummy form details to test if the form is functioning correctly. Message sent successfully. We can head to WordPress Ninja Form dashboard and confirm if the email has been reached correctly under Submission section. And done successfully setting the contact form in WordPress contact page. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if you find it helpful. And also do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. It encourages us to do more and more videos like this for you.